show us a little bit of how to make a sandwich less messy. If you get someone with cerebral palsy or something like that, their voluntary muscle are, don't behave the way they want them to. First, we've got the paper plate holder. This makes the paper plate strong and sturdy. Then we're going to make these sandwiches differently. It's going to be one sandwich, but instead of peanut butter and the orange marmalade, it's going to be peanut butter on the side, orange marmalade, peanut butter, orange marmalade, and then we're going to fold them over, and that's going to make them less messy to eat. I want to mention too that these are diet bread. Basically, they're, cut thinner, and they might have less something in them. But anyway, they're only 45 calories a piece. Usually, bread is, can be anywhere from 90 to 120 per slice. So this is going to be good for a more limited calorie lunch. So here you can see we get the peanut butter, we get the marmalade, peanut butter marmalade, and now we're going to fold over each half. So the sandwich is made like this. Then she eats it like this. You can see then that this whole back side that's in her hand isn't gonna leak jelly or fluff or whatever. So I think it's a pretty nifty sandwich hack.